Just imagine that you are going for a grocery shopping. There, the salesperson suggests you a new product and asks you to buy the product. By seeing that, what will you think? Is it worth to buy? Right? When it comes to mutual fund, some investors also think the same question. Is it worth to invest in mutual funds? When someone suggests you to invest in mutual funds, you will think there are so many investment options available. So why should I choose mutual funds? Or how can it benefit me, right? Do you think the same? Hi, welcome to holisticinvestment.in. In this video, we are going to see why it is worth to invest in mutual funds. First, mutual funds can give you the return which can help you to beat the inflation. Is beating the inflation is important? Yes, of course. We all know that the price of our daily using products are increasing day by day. So, the money you are saving cannot help you to buy the product after some time. This is why we need to save or invest our money in mutual funds. So, why mutual funds? Let me explain. Compared to other investments, mutual funds only can give you a potential return of up to 12 to 13%. And whether it is a short-term financial goal or long-term financial goals, mutual fund can help you to beat the inflation and can give you the power to purchase the product. The second point is it can provide you a smart investment option. What is a smart investment? Let me explain. Let's imagine that you are investing all your money in a specific sector. If something has happened, then you might lose all your money. But in mutual funds, the money collected from you and the money collected from all the investors like you will be invested in various sectors. So the loss of risk level is very low. Even if one sector lost, the another sector will gain. So it will compensate the loss. So it is a smart investment option compared to other investments. When it concerns about money, safety is very important, right? So in mutual fund, it is regulated by Securities and Exchange Board of India. In short, it is monitored by SEBI. So you don't have to worry about all the fraudulent companies. And it provides a fair treatment to every investor. So you don't have to worry about all the scams and all. When you invest in other investment products, you have to depend on all yourself and your knowledge. But in mutual funds, you don't have to worry about that. Do you know why? Because you have professional fund managers here. They are very experienced people in this field. They know where to invest your money and how to manage it. So your money is in safe hands. Even though you don't know much about mutual funds, they can do all the works for you. For your each and every investment objectives, you have to invest in various investment products. But in mutual funds, you don't have to worry about it. Even it is for a long-term goal or short-term goal, you have various options for that. For a short-term goal, you can invest in short-term investment plans. For a long-term, you can invest in equity mutual funds. Just like that, the mutual fund also have tax saving plans, regular plans and growth plans. So you don't have to worry about investing in various places. The next important feature of mutual fund is you can invest in mutual funds through an SIP or through lump sum. In SIP, you can invest your money like paying your EMI. And in lump sum, you can invest large amount of money at a single time. The next feature is diversification of risk. Every individual investor need different risk level to meet their investment objectives, and this mutual fund can give you this opportunity. You can invest in various risk level oriented investment plans here, so you don't have to worry about managing your risk. Based on your investment objectives, if you want low return, then you can go for low risk level investment. If you want medium return, then you can go for medium risk level investment plan. If you are looking for a high return, then you can go for high risk level investment plans here. The next feature of mutual fund is its liquidity option. But why it is important? Let me tell you. We will never know what will happen in the future, right? During this time, we need money that can help us at the time. But what if we cannot get the money at the right time? It cannot useful for us, right? But in mutual funds, we have the flexibility to choose between regular funds and tax saving funds. What is the difference between them, you may ask? Let me tell you. In regular plan, you can use the money whenever you want. But in tax saving plan, the money you invest will locked for a certain period of time. And you can use the money after that lock-in period time. The next feature is it is easy to handle the purchase and redemption. In certain investment products, it will take some time to invest or redeem the money. Sometimes it is easy to invest, but it will take more time to redeem your money. But in mutual funds, you can easily purchase or redeem your investment on all the working days. What if I want to switch my investment plan? Can I do that? You have the rights to ask the question. Because in certain investments, you don't have the flexibility to switch your investments. But in mutual fund, you have this option. If you want to track your investment, it's very simple. If you want, you can ask the executives or you can download it from the website you're investing in. So, finally, you may ask, then what should I do now? It's very simple. All you have to do is choose the right mutual fund scheme which is suitable for your risk level and your investment objectives. I hope these features and benefits can help you to decide whether it is worth to invest in mutual funds or not. Along with this video, if you think you need more help, then you can sign up for our 30-minute complimentary financial plan consultation. The link is in the description. If you like this video, then hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos. Thank you.